जी हाँ,
Yes, there is an inclination for batters to play straight, but the pitch must allow it. Otherwise, those batters will find the sweep shots and all the other methods to score. An indication of the batter's strength, plus wonderful surfaces that we've got in this tournament.
इस तरह खेलते रहे फिर बड़ा निज़ाम चलना है।
Heaving that onto the onside.
इस तरह खेलते रहो ना तो
Work
फिर
to be
बड़ा
done by
ठीक है।
Rinku, does nicely.
10 ओवर कट जाए फिर बड़ा निज़ाम चलना है मेरा।
It's a good start, Pakistan. A little bit slower than they'd like to be, I guess.
छक्का
These
देने
two
4 आए ने।
hitters at the top, but they've got 50 on the board for none.
A combination of maybe the batters
नहीं,
being a
2
little
बॉलां
cautious.
पीछे है
These
मेरे
are
ख्याल।
two batters in form,
2
key
बॉलां।
batters, so they feel obliged to stay there longer. Plus, I think this pitch at this stage is the hardest to score on.
लास्ट बॉल है मेरे को।
Slowly it will start getting better and better as the evening progresses.
जी हाँ।
They've had their problems batting the middle overs as well, so that's why it's so important.
What a
They've
shot.
set that beautifully.
What a shot
He's
by
tied out on
Khan
that
Zafar
one. He's in
Khan।
for 6. That's a great way to
एहन
finish
लगा
the
छक्का
over.
जी।
11 from it.
एहन लगा
7
छक्का।
done, 56 for none.
When you
Slow
invest
गई।
with eToro, you